Welcome to Wattix. In this video, we will cover the features of the Actions Tracker. This tool allows multiple users to annotate and log energy-saving actions as they are implemented. If we have performed an energy-saving action by informing the staff to turn off compressor 1 at night, create a new action and fill in the description boxes below, such as the name of the action, the day implemented, and its description. You can also choose to share actions with other users in your Wattix account by choosing to make it public. The Actions Tracker keeps a record of all of the actions that have been implemented by certain people for a site or appliance. By clicking on an action, you can see how much energy has been saved before and after as evidence of energy efficiency. Change the time period on the right-hand side and the graph will automatically produce a new daily average cost comparison. This is another way to prove that a project has saved your company energy and costs, which is very helpful for ISO 50001 and green building certification, such as LEED, as well as for other industry certifications and regulatory energy reporting purposes. You can download this graph in multiple formats, such as PDF or JPEG, to include it in your client's reports. If you would like to know more about the Wattix Action Tracker tool, or the features available through the Wattix platform, check out our brief instructional videos at www.wattix.com/dashboard. You can also book a free demo on our website to discover how these tools can be applied to your projects. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.